So to cover a few things, firstly, we'll cover how to access Brass Ring from your DLive dashboard. Once you have logged into DLive using your username and password, on the right hand side here, you'll see quick links. Click on that, and it will bring up a couple of options. You're going to go to ATS login links. Click that, and then you have three options here. Rapid Hire is store level, Brass Ring is admin level, and then New Hire onboard login is pretty self-explanatory. Should you have any problems at all, you can always access ATS live chat from here. It is extremely useful. There's also some ATS training videos other than this one that cover both what I'm going to cover and some more intricate dynamics of Brass Ring, but we're just going to cover basics today. So from here, you just click Login to Brass Ring, and you should have a username and password supplied. And that will bring you to your hiring dashboard. That is a default. We'll cover some more stuff on the next video.